Are you taking it?
Okay, wait. Try me. Press shoelace.
Okay, put it on. That is what happens when you eat too many bean burritos.
Okay, what about this one? Try poke the other one though.
Okay, you notice it says press my tummy.
What?
Yeah, you see that? Watch this. You're pressing the tummy, but you go lower on this one. You see what I mean? It's not its tummy area. Buenas noches. Go to sleep. I happen to have a Mexican accent.
Oh,
Buenas
really?
noches. Go to sleep.
Oh my god, another one. Try me, squeeze my head. I hope it doesn't fart.
No, you need to squeeze it this time.
Okay. Which one? God darn you. Yeah.
I love Dory. Oh my god.
It doesn't
Elliot.
even move.
It's Elliot.
No, this one.
I don't know if this is Elliot.
Ah!
It's Diego. Oh my god, no way. I love press them all at the same time.
This one doesn't do anything. Nothing suspicious. Okay. Are we done?
What time is it?